Jai Sriman Almost now it is getting sunrise. Rama got up, and when Rama got up and saw around, there are so many Ayodhya people slept over there who were following Rama. After seeing them, Rama is now talking to Lakshmana Swami. On the banks of Tamasa, the river, Ramachandra Swami got up early in the morning and looking around all the people who were following them sleeping under the trees and here and there. Then Rama started saying to Lakshmana, "Oh Lakshmana, look at them, how much they love." With that kind of love and also with the resolution that they want to take us back, with that kind of resolution they are following us. They are ready to give even their lives, but they would not give up from taking us back to Ayodhya. That is why, Lakshmana, we should be leaving before they get up. We should not trouble them at all. See, look at them, everyone is sleeping on the floor, sleeping on the earth, sleeping on the leaves. Let us not trouble them like that. So that is why before they get up, we have to go from here. Then Lakshmana also said, "Right, brother, you are right. Let us start from here before they get up." Then Rama immediately asked Sumantra, "Come on, get the chariot ready." Sumantra said, "Chariot is ready." Then tam syandanam adhisthaya Raghavaha, Sri Ramachandra Swami, along with his weapons, he and Lakshmana Swami and Sitamma got into chariot, and chariot started. Sumantra started driving the Radham. Sumantra is following such a big, huge path. Rama is saying that, "Sumantra, we get down here. You take this chariot towards north to some extent. After you go some distance, again turn back and come to us. Then you can take us and live in the forest." So do like that. Sumantra also did the same. He went towards north and came back, and again he is taking Sita, Rama, Lakshmana into the forest. Why Rama did like this? Because towards north there is Ayodhya. After these people get up, if they don't see chariot and Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, they will start following the wheels, the prints of wheels on the floor too. So that will be leading them towards north. They all will feel that, okay, Rama went to Ayodhya, Rama went back to Ayodhya. Like that, with that kind of happiness, they will be following that the wheel prints on the floor, on the earth. By then they will be almost halfway to Ayodhya. Then even if they don't find the wheels print on the earth, they will definitely go back to Ayodhya. So somehow we have to send all these people back to Ayodhya, because they left their family, they left everything, and they are coming along with us, and they are ready to get into all kind of troubles that we are going to be facing. We should not let them do that. Somehow we have to send them back. That is the plan Ramachandra Swami did, so that all these people will get back to Ayodhya and will be living with their families happily. For that reason, Rama made this plan, and it worked out so very well. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, हे हे सीतारामा हे हे सीतारामा. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.